Floor actuator 2010 Ford Mustang. Let's see what's inside this baby. See if we can get that part number visible. That should be good. It was doing some popping every time we put it on. Press the defroster button. It was doing a lot of popping, so we just replaced that. Let's see what's inside it. See where the teeth are missing right there. Matter of fact, you see it. See the teeth right here. Piece that's broken off. There's a few pieces that are broken off in there. So, this is why she clicks. All these gears are made of plastic. I get it, but not really. That's why she was clicking. Broken teeth. Now keep in mind, this is a 2010 Mustang with 18,000 miles, and the stock floor actuator is already broken.